Alright, here we are again. This is Lee from Madden Mobile Crew. And I'm going to do another 150k pack opening, so let's go. Auction house is down right now, so I figured I'd open up some more packs. And so I'm sure a lot of my stuff will expire because people won't be able to get on to buy anything. Highly inconvenient. Don't forget, check us out on Instagram, Madden Mobile Crew. We just got our Twitter up. That's Madden Mobile CRW. Check us out, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Like I said, once we get some views going, some people checking us out, we'll definitely be doing some giveaways. There's another Michael Bennett. Oh wait, how is he an update? He shouldn't be an update. I'm not sure why it says that. I already have him for one. Maybe he's just equal to something I have. I don't know. I'll have to check that out. He should definitely not be an update. No idea why it said that. Well, at least there's one elite, but he doesn't sell for much. I might go to my team real quick as soon as I'm done opening in this video just to see. James Devlin, that's probably about my 4th, 5th time I've got him. Corey Redding, I've gotten him probably 20 times. Got about, what would that be, about 6 packs? No. Yeah, 6 packs left. Boom, Bobby Wagner. Nice. Now we're talking. That's a good card. I'm not super sure if he's on the mystery MVP set, but I'm definitely gonna be checking out. Most likely I'll sell him. I have a 93 captain, so it's not a big difference, and since a lot of people want to try and make that set, I'd rather just collect some cash while they're still worth something. A few more here. We'll do 4 more. 3 more. See if we can get lucky again. Still hoping for some of those legend set, Super Bowl legend set, elite collectibles. They're still selling for about $250. Alright, let's do one more. Alright, that's it. Well, pulled a couple elites. So, oh, actually, we'll go check out my team real fast just to see what's up with that defensive end here. Oops, my bad. go to lineup. Okay. It must. No, not that. Oops. That's for the one I just got. Maybe it's yeah, the Jason Pierre-Paul. Well, we'll see. I'll think about it. I might get rid of them. All right. Well, this video. Look for some more coming up real quick.